Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest, hands-on reviews. And today, we bring you the best Special Forces shovel, the Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick. Whether you're camping in the wild, tackling tough terrain off-road, or just need a dependable tool for emergencies, this one is a beast you want by your side. Cut to close-up of the Rhino USA shovel being unfolded. Right out of the box, the Rhino USA shovel makes a strong first impression. It's built from heavy-duty carbon steel, finished with a sleek black powder coating. That means you're getting not just durability, but resistance to corrosion and weather, a crucial factor when you're relying on this tool in mud, snow, sand, or rain. You get a full 180-degree shovel, a 90-degree pickaxe, and a 90-degree hoe, all in one compact system. That versatility lets you break ice, dig trenches, clear rocks, and cut through roots without carrying 3 separate tools. It's designed for both survival and convenience. Cut to animation showing folding mechanism. Fully extended, the shovel reaches 22 inches in length, giving you enough leverage for serious work. It folds down to just 9 by 6 inches and slides neatly into its included heavy-duty carry case. And weighing in at just 2 pounds, it's insanely portable. Clip it to your backpack or stash it in your overlanding rig, it's made to move. Now let's talk build quality. The handle and the blade are both forged from carbon steel, meaning it's not just strong, it's military strong. You can hammer this thing, dig in rocky terrain, and it won't flinch. You'll feel the confidence of using something built for serious scenarios, just like Special Forces would. Cut to off-road SUV stuck in mud, user digging out tires. Whether you're out camping, stuck off-road, or building a fire pit on the beach, this tool proves itself. And with its pickaxe and hoe options, it goes far beyond digging, it adapts to whatever the job demands. And if you're wondering about the company's confidence in their product, they back it with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. Rhino USA is a family-run, American-owned brand, and that ethos is stamped all over this product. It's not just a tool, it's a legacy of ruggedness and reliability, made to support you in extreme situations, not just casual chores. Cut to user folding it back into the case, walking into sunset. So if you're looking to invest in a military-style entrenching tool that delivers strength, versatility, and peace of mind, the Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel is your answer. For adventurers, off-roaders, survivalists, and weekend campers alike, this one earns a solid spot in your gear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what gear you'd like us to test next. This is Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.